Hi, hello, namaste, and this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel Glam Up Teen. And today's topic is about hyperpigmentation. I think the word hyperpigmentation is the one which we are most familiar and the mostly heard word about the skin problems like skin concerns. And today I'm here up with not only the solution but also the causes and the facts. So first of all, coming to hyperpigmentation. So what is meant by hyperpigmentation? It is the deposition of melanin, or simply we can say darkening of the skin. So the prevalence of hyperpigmentation is much more in the darker skin tone people. So you can have hyperpigmentation anywhere on the skin, like on the forehead or on the nose or on the cheek or around the mouth area. So the causes for hyperpigmentation, these may differ from person to person. So these include sun damage, inflammation and even acne vulgaris too. So for me, I personally suffer from hyperpigmentation which is around the mouth. So what are the types of hyperpigmentation we can get? These may include age spots, melasma and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. And while coming to the treatment, like in treatment we have two parts, that is prevention and other one is the treatment. While coming to the prevention, how can we prevent hyperpigmentation? So if the hyperpigmentation in us is caused by sun damage, definitely we have to use a good sunscreen which has SPF more than 50 and should have PA++ and it should be broad spectrum. While coming to the treatment part has two types, natural and chemical. So while coming to the natural, this is what I'm going to say it now, and second one is chemical. So you can use some chemical treatments like creams or chemical peels. So these chemical peels or creams may include the ingredients such as hydroquinone, corticosteroids, tretinoins, glycolic acid and even azelaic acid. If you are suffering from really chronic hyperpigmentation, then my suggestion is you can go for chemical treatments, but you can give a first try with the natural remedies. But still, if not, you're not getting rid of that, you can just definitely go for chemical treatments under the guidance of a good cosmetologist. And there are many natural remedies to get rid of the hyperpigmentation, but still my suggestion is prevention is better than cure. And seriously, I have suffered a lot with this hyperpigmentation problem in my past years and thought I'm the only one who's suffering from this, and I felt so awkward for having hyperpigmentation. I don't know what to do and what's wrong with that. I don't know the underlying causes, but still then I just found a solution for this hyperpigmentation. But still I thought that I'm only the person who is suffering from this. But still, when I got lots of messages asking about how to get rid of hyperpigmentation, after getting those many queries on only one topic, that is hyperpigmentation, I was just shocked. Oh my god, this is not the problem which I am only the person facing this. There are many people suffering from this so-called hyperpigmentation. So without getting late, we'll start the video. So friends, to make this hyperpigmentation pack, all you need is rosehip oil, milk powder, rose powder, orange peel powder, rose water and rice flour. The main ingredient in this is milk powder and orange peel powder. So firstly, we are going to take 2 spoons of orange peel powder and 2 spoons of milk powder, 1 spoon of rose petal powder, 1 spoon of rice flour, and going to mix all these powders well. So now we are going to add rose water to this mixture and blend it well. Make sure you're making the consistency like a paste. So the pack is ready now. We are going to add 2 to 3 drops of rosehip oil. So now we are going to mix it well. You can store this pack for 2 weeks in refrigerator. Hey friends, before applying this pack, I have cleansed my face with a mild cleanser. So you have to apply this as a thick layer around your mouth area or where you have the hyperpigmentation problem. I look a bit funny, but that's okay. While digging into the things, the ingredients we have used in this are milk powder, orange peel powder, rose powder and rice flour. We have used orange powder because orange peel powder has vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, and also orange peel powder has some bleaching properties which tones down the pigmentation. While coming to the milk powder, Milk powder has lactic acid which helps in removing the darkness on the skin. While coming to the rose powder actually has the anti-inflammatory properties and it also maintains the pH of the skin. So this can reduce darkening of the skin which is caused by any inflammatory conditions, and rose powder also heals the skin which is damaged by the sun. And we also added rice flour which has scrubbing properties, so it scrubs the dead skin cells which are accumulated on the skin and eventually lightens the skin. So you have to keep this pack at least 10 to 15 minutes, and for best results use it twice a week. But as I always say, please do a patch test for this pack because some natural ingredients tend to show allergic properties if there are any. So friends, it's been 15 minutes I have applied this pack. So now I'm going to remove this. So this removing process is the most important one. For this, spray some rose water on this pack. And now my word sounds funny because the pack is almost dried. I'm going to remove this pack by scrubbing the pack. So once you're done by removing the pack, you can just wash the face with the cold water. So friends, I have just washed my face and just pat dried. So now you can see the difference, a little difference. In the first use only you can't see such a huge difference. You have to continuously use it for at least a month to see the results, like a drastic change in the pigmentation, like the intensity of pigmentation and all. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and felt it useful for you. And please, the persons who are going to try this DIY, please mention your valuable feedback. So I think we could suggest to more members and we'll be helping them indirectly. And if you just like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. And don't feel bad for this hyperpigmentation. It's okay to have hyperpigmentation, and yes, we can get rid of that. So I'm just ending up this video and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and keep supporting. Bye bye.